Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the Campfire Clover in Grow a Garden Summer Camp Event Update Part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, if you want to get Campfire Clover seed, you need to participate in this event, the bear event. I don't know what it is called, but basically you need to give this bear the requested plant and then he will give you free Campfire Seed Pack. And from this Campfire Seed Pack, you can get the Campfire Clover with only 4.5% chance. And finally guys, I could unlock this Campfire Clover and I've already planted the seed in my garden. Oh, this is the Campfire Clover. It's beautiful. It's not a tree, but it's like a flower, but actually not a flower. I don't know. Okay, and then I've already harvested this plant and I'm going to show you guys the basic value of this Campfire Clover. Okay, let's check the base value. How much is this worth? Okay, it's around 90k shekels. Oh, it's not bad. And okay guys, that's all about the Campfire Clover Seed in Grow a Garden Summer Camp Event Update Part 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!